Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my January Witches box. It's very, very late. They had some kind of delay in shipment. I actually got it probably 10 days ago though, but I've just been not in the mood to open anything. Even though the only reason I went back and resubscribed was because I really, really loved the theme of this box, which was going to be about bathing. Ritual bathing, which is one of my favorite magical practices. It smells divine. And I love the way that looks. I love the symbols and the stickers for this company. Blessed be. Another beautiful little item here. All right. The papers here, so cute. I'm gonna keep that for sure. January 2021 Sacred Bath Box. I always look at this last. Then we have a card, Fonte de Coupe. I don't know, maybe the Page of Cups. Doesn't look to be the Knight, and I don't think it's the Queen because there's no crown, but I'll have to look it up. I release. Gone are the things that no longer serve you. Nice. I am protected, shielded, and true warded and armed. I remain whole and untouched by harm. Nice. I am love. I immerse myself in the waters of pure love. Nice. I am the dream. I glide through the dream time with lidded eyes and crystalline sight. Cool, cool. New moon bathing ritual. It smells good. Page 1. Page 2. Full moon sacred bath. Yum. And then sacred shower wash. Nice. Very nice to acknowledge that not all people have baths. Very good. Ooh, we have a book. We have a journal. Nice. Beautiful. Lord have mercy, I just realized I didn't have the lights on. Oh my God. Beautiful. I love the pages. I love the smell. I love the feel. Trying to close this thing again. And, okay, there we go. There we go. Better light. Sorry, guys. Ooh, we got some soap. Let me smell it. Everything in this box smells really good. Smells like soap. Nice soap though, not stinky soap. Not too strong, very faint, just kind of clean with a mild perfume. We've got some tea lights. And let me see here. Ooh, we've got big jars of I Am Love bath salts. Look at all those beauties. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. It's got flowers and citrus for sure. Oh my gosh, this one's loose. Okay, glad I didn't just grab it. I am protected. So let's get it a little bit. Looks good, looks good. Ooh, it smells good. We've got some spice for sure. And this one also smells kind of citrusy. All right. I am the dream. Beautiful. This one smells like Lang Lang maybe. And poppy it looks like. Ooh, it smells good. These all smell good. I'm excited about these. And then I release. And that's typically my main bath things. Oh my god, it smells good. It's definitely sage, lavender. It smells divine. I make sure there's nothing else in this box, and I'm going to move the box aside. So we have our salt here, our soap, our candles. Let's look at our insert. Ritualized bathing is something that can be found through history across most culture. Water cleanses, it heals, recalibrates, and is the medium by which medicine can work its magic on our bodies, either through increasing circulation, drawing out inflammation and toxins, and softening tissue to relax muscles and melt away tension. Water is also an element that ties everything to one another. It sustains life. It holds the repository of our collective unconscious. The whole of history vibrates through the veil of moisture that permeates all of existence. It's physical, emotional, it's psychic, emotional, soothing, and reminiscent of the womb waters we were all made in and held in before we made our initial entrance into the world as individual beings. So we continue here into what has been a 3-month journey with water over the last few months of this box. May this box continue to support your work with the element of water. So I am Release bath salts. I am Love. I am Protected. I am The Dream, Lavender Patchouli Soap, Leather Journal, Full Moon Ritual Book of Shadows page, New Moon Ritual Book of Shadows page, Shaker Shadow page, 4 Sacred Bath Invocation cards, and 1 Oracle Tarot card. So the only thing I don't see is what the ingredients are for each of the baths, but I guess that's kind of it's a house recipe. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful box. I love the theme. I'm glad I got it. These are all very nice amount. Love the jars because I'm definitely going to reuse them in the future for probably the same purpose. I can make my own bath salts, and I used to before I started getting boxes, but as you know, I get quite a few of them in my boxes, which I love, but I'm not even that far behind because I also keep buying them. So I will be reusing these. Journals are never misplaced. Tea lights are nice. These are bigger ones than some of the ones that I have. Everything's very nice. I really like the box. I really like the intention. There is other thing that's included with the value of this box is a deep dive gathering where you and the other people who have purchased this box participate in a live. You can also go back and rewatch it. So that's the January Witches box. I did already get charged for the next month's Witches box. I hope that I get it before I get charged again, because I'd like to kind of see how it's gonna go, how it's going. But I digress. We'll see how it goes. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll talk to you soon.